Construction is a messy, messy industry. It's complicated. There's a lot of moving parts.
Between pictures, CRM, insurance, QuickBooks, 6 different licenses, 6 different ways of doing things, it was a nightmare.
Because we were using 5 different QuickBooks, we had to combine those so we would report our financial statements on Excel.
QuickBooks would keep track of just expenses and income. There was no tracking as far as progress in the job or analytics of man hours or anything like that.
We had our own unique way of conforming to the GAAP reporting rules. It wasn't innately built into QuickBooks.
You could enter in a customer billing and you could book the revenue, and then if you didn't want to have it in there, you could just delete it. And it's like, well, yesterday the P&L said this and today it says less. Well, that doesn't make any sense.
QuickBooks, I think, is great for smaller companies. The problem is when you try to scale a company, you have to have the right ERP system to do that.
QuickBooks was also at a point of imploding. With all that data 20 years in, we had to make a change.
With Acumatica, being able to monitor where jobs are, cash flow, jobs that are coming in, and know where our remote locations really are at. For a project management piece, it's a game changer.
With Acumatica, we're able to just click a button and now we can see all of our financials by branch or just consolidated. We are able to run a WIP report and we are able to look at underbillings and overbillings. When we had QuickBooks, we weren't able to see that at all.
It seems like almost everybody still estimates in Excel and writes their proposals in Word, and I'm like, hey, we don't have to do that. When they go to Acumatica, they can run a proposal that is a perfectly clean, hierarchical, branded proposal that's the same every time. It saves a day every estimate.
The ability to capture the expense receipts through an image or the mobile app, so that was huge.
Having the data inside of Acumatica and the tools inside of Acumatica have really allowed us to put the customer first. We're able to give them the best price possible using historical data for our projects to make sure that it's a fair price for them, it's a fair price for us.
You don't have a superintendent inventing a daily report out in the field, and you don't have a project manager inventing a different version of the field report. It's a consistent product that they get every day, whether we remember to or not.
Companies change over time. It's super important that we have a software that can grow with us. And we've had a whole bunch of growth in the last 10 years, and I feel like Acumatica has been a huge part of that growth, and it allowed us to take the company to new heights.
Our ability to be able to see everything in one place, have what we always say, one source of the truth, and be able to jump from thing to thing quickly has been really, really important for us.
Acumatica has done a really good job of simplifying that data in a clear way for us to be able to capture it and then make decisions off of it.